Today I'm going to show you how to view the work of a student after they submit it. So within the classwork tab, you can scroll down to the assignment that you want to look at. So I'm going to click View Assignment under the Why IST Standards Matter. And here I can see my students who have turned in, who it's assigned to, and who is graded. So turned in, I have none. One has still been assigned and hasn't turned in, and 3 I have graded so far. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click into one of the students that I have graded. And here you can see I had the question, and then he answered it. And then I was also able to, after he turned it in, I was able to give him some feedback, and I also gave him a private comment so that he knew to go ahead and look at what I had said in the document. And after that, you can just go ahead and you can click this arrow and you can go to your next student. And you can see what they had answered for the question. And over on the right, you can also give them the grade. So that is how you can view a single student after they have turned in some work. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks.